Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, today is Wednesday and I am your Fly Lady here to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. So on this Wednesday, what do we do? Well, on the standard plan, if that's the one you're following, on Wednesdays we do our planning and desk day. We always do our routines every day, and we end the day in our zone, or end our 3-layer cake in our zone, which is Zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. So here we go. Gonna get up this morning and do your routines. If you're going to work, then you're gonna make sure you get everything on time so you can leave the house on time. So you're gonna get up right away, do your morning routine involving the bathroom, the kitchen, and the bedroom, get it all done. Then go put your kids through their routines, get them all done. And then if you have any pets or other responsibilities, that's done. So you know how far you need to back up to get up on time in order to accomplish these three things. All right, if you don't have a pet, it's one less thing, or any other responsibility, it's one less thing. If you live on a farm and you have to feed and milk and collect, then that's added in and you get up earlier. If you have to leave the house for work at 7:30, then you know you're gonna have to get up really early if that's all on you. Also, remember not to take on more than you can chew. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Sometimes you've already done that and it's too late. You have a commitment, so you're going to have to make it work. And that means you're going to get to bed on time. All right? So, if you're working, go to work. When you get there, open your control journal for work. After you've greeted everyone, gotten your coffee or beverage or whatever, and start working. How are you doing? This is Wednesday. This is the reason you're here when you open this control journal. So on Wednesday, you're halfway through the week. Where have you come? Where do you have to go? There are going to be distractions at work. Someone just sent me a note the other day. Golly, I don't know how to do anything at work without distractions. It's constantly, I'm being pulled this way and that. Well, that's just the way it is at work. That's why a control journal is so important. So you can either say, these are the things I have to do today. My boss has just asked me to do this. What can I move? Or do I need to tell the boss, and this is very important as an ex-boss, I'm telling you this, you would say, you know what, boss? These are the things that I have on my agenda because I need to accomplish them by such and such a date for you. You've given me this other thing. What is the priority? If you can't figure out the priority, you ask them, what is the priority? So you don't have to do both, right? Or you have to come in on Saturday and they're aware of it. And I hope you don't ever, but it happens to us. But that's how you stay on track. You have that book and you can show your boss, these are the things I've accomplished by using this book. You're going to have to make it work first though. And then you can say, these are the things I've accomplished for you. Because every day, every week, every month, you're going to write your accomplishments at the back of each month. I accomplished these things. Not regular things that you're supposed to do, things that are projects, things that you're asked to do over and above. And so that's why you want to use this control journal. So use your control journal on your lunch hour, on your break. Think about what's going on at home. Let's see, we're on Wednesday. So let's say that you decided that you're going to split your weekly home blessing hour up into 6 days. So today is the 3rd day. You've done your bed, and now you've done the dusting. Now today you're going to wipe the glass. 10 minutes or less. And that's going to happen when you come home tonight. The other thing that's happening, or you can delegate, hello. Then the other thing that's happening is today is planning and desk day. So before you leave the house this morning, put everything that requires action in your purse. If you need to call the school, if you need to call the electric company, if you need to call AT&T, whatever it is, it's in your purse, ready for you to handle on your lunch hour. Those things can be handled. Also, you'll be able to check your balances. Make sure your checking account is in order and balanced. Make sure all the auto pays are coming out. You have a list of all the bills that come out. Make sure they do on the correct date. That's what you're going to be doing today. You're also going to be taking this morning a quick peek in the fridge to see what you're short of, what needs to be replaced, what's normal, eggs, milk, whatever. Maybe toss a few things in the garbage really quick this morning. Look at your freezer, look at your pantry, and get an idea of what's in there. Maybe take a picture of it if that's helpful for you. Come up with a menu for the week. Come up with a grocery list based on what you do and don't have. Okay? That's what you do today. So when you come home tonight, you're going to start your laundry. You're going to go through an inch of paper for next Wednesday, right? Putting the action items and things that need to be filed in there. And you're going to start supper right away. While supper is cooking or simmering or holding, you're going to do your wiping the glass down and or delegating that and inspecting what you expect. And you're going to work for 10 to 15 minutes in the bathroom or another room. So if your bathroom is in good shape now, you can go to another room. Pick a room. Could be the laundry room, the office, the garage. It doesn't matter. Pick a room that's not on your regular zone, right? So not the kitchen, not the living room, not the master bedroom or closet or bathroom, not the entryway. There's one other. Entryway, kitchen, living room, bathroom. Oh yeah, the one we're working in. Okay, so pick another room, the playroom, the children's room, whatever it is. This is for deep clean and clutter and or decluttering. So go work for 15 minutes decluttering in there, or for 1 minute to 10 minutes, maybe 15, doing a deep clean item. Okay, that's it. Then come back in the kitchen, finish dinner, call everyone to supper, or let it hold until you're ready to serve it. After supper, we're going to all come together. All of us are doing the same thing. We're having our after dinner routine together, our before bed routines together. All right, good for you. Have a great day. Let me go to my at-home fly babies. At-home fly babies, the same things that I've told the working fly babies or payroll fly babies applies. So you're going to get up, do your morning routine, children through their routines, pets and other requirements are going to be done. Then you're going to start with your basic weekly plan. Today your basic weekly plan is the bathroom and or one other room. 15 minutes max, 15 for decluttering, anywhere from 1 to 10 to 15 minutes for one deep clean thing. What have you not done lately? Which room do you need to look at? Okay. Then the next thing you're going to do is that's it. You're done. That's it. You're done. So then we're going to meet together after dinner, do the after dinner routine, before bed routine, and that's it. So I hope you have a wonderful day today. I want you to know that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.